Now that we have our app's interface set up with a button and constraints, let's talk about how to connect our button here to code. First, we want to create what's called an outlet for our button. Okay, so just like an outlet in your home is used to plug into the home's power source, an outlet in Xcode allows you to plug into your UI objects. Okay, so with an outlet, we have a reference to our UI element, and we can change attributes on it at runtime or in response to a user's action. Okay, so in order to create an outlet, I want to have my storyboard and my view controller file here up side by side. So in order to do that, I need to make sure that I've got my project navigator here, and I'm going to open up the assistant editor, which looks like these two rings connected here in the top right. Okay, so we'll select that. And now you can see that here to my left, I have my main.storyboard file, and here to my right, I've got my view controller file. Now, this view controller Swift file is the accompanying file for this storyboard. So when we set up our single view app from the templates at the beginning, Apple gave us this storyboard file with the view controller on it that is already connected to our viewcontroller.swift file. Okay, so in order to create an outlet, let's go ahead and select our button here. And then I'm going to hold down Control and click on my button and drag over to my view controller file. Okay, so you should see this blue line being drawn between your button and your cursor. And then you can see that a line is showing in our view controller file showing where it's going to be, where the outlet is going to be put. Okay, so I'll go ahead and drop it here above this viewDidLoad method. And now we need to give our outlet a name. Now, it's important that when we create these outlets that we give our objects really specific names so that they're easy for us to come back to and to know exactly what it references. Okay, and that's also really important as you're working on projects with bigger teams, that they can understand what exactly your outlet is referencing. Okay, so in my case, this is going to be our Hello World button. We'll hit connect, and now we see that we have a reference or an outlet, an interface builder outlet to our Hello World button.